What are we doing?
The man them too inconsiderate. 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick but she wanna get Finnegan. Drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim cause she wanna be Kim and them. Alright, I know that you're bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions. My work could have been in a Tokyo trip, Fast and Furious. I went from the Clio 8 years to years, they had their chance but blew it. Now this girl want me in her uterus, fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong it's a life of squinting, can't just stare. With babe through thick and thin, she already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and black, couldn't change my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters, they won't fit in one SUV. That's so less. Somebody rescue me, I got too many girls, too many girls.
You know what I'm not gonna say.
What's up, guys? This is Josh. We're at Mountain Creek.
What did you hit? Do you know what you hit?
Today we're gonna be riding some trails. It's gonna be chill. Yeah, this is a chill gap.
Dude, that like.
I'm feeling good about it. JF Films YT. Oh shit.
Go around the huge.
Dope shit like that, Jerry. Oh hi. Welcome back to kids. Follow your dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the flyest white boy of them all? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? Don't wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the Fed. So she says she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are. Top drawer. Yeah. Just a motherfucking kiss. Make money, fuck bitches. Yeah, Pittsburgh. Hey, John, hey, these hoes is drunk. Wanna come and smoke this blunt?
Keep it going. Nice. Woo! Gosh. Bro, why are we going so fucking fast, bro? Oh shit, he's already gone. Damn, slow down, bro. What the fuck? Oh my god. Holy shit. I'll catch him. Oh my god. Oh yeah, dude, let's fucking go. Yo! Oh, I don't know.
You good?
Yeah, yeah.
That's how you die. Low key flying, Eric.
Why are you giggling, bro?
She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like, baby, where the fuck you been? Don't wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my concussion. Yeah,
She blushing. Oh,